so you have reviewed your single waltz clog. Now we're going to learn the double waltz clog. And the only difference is, instead of starting with a step, you're going to start with a flap. A flap makes two sounds, and therefore it is a double. Okay, moving on to the double. The double is almost exactly the same, except in starting with a step, which makes that one sound, we are going to start with a flap, which makes two sounds, hence the name double. So, and your time steps as you go through, when you hear double, that means we're adding a flap someplace where it had been a step in the single. So you're going to start with a flap, and you got to make sure to change your weight, shuffle, ball, change, flap left, shuffle, ball, change right. And again, you should stay on your toes the whole time. We're going so slow, I'm going to be putting my heel down, but as we go faster, try to keep those heels off the floor. So it's going to be fall, lap, shuffle, ball, change, fall, lap, shuffle, ball, change. And 1 and 2 and 3, and 1 and 2 and 3. Fall, lap, shuffle, ball, change, fall, lap, shuffle, ball, change, fall, lap, shuffle, ball, change, fall, lap. Okay, staying on the toes, that flap, it's not a big brush step. It's almost like just a touch step. You want to keep that brush really, really tiny. And again, making sure you're changing your weight. So often people flap like this and they don't change their weight, and you're going to end up wrong. You got to shift onto it so that the other foot is free to do the shuffle, ball, change. So it's going to be fall, lap,